Hey creatures, it's your girl Leah the Slayer of NYC Butterfly Braids Hair Story Podcast. Look at my hair, DIYHairSupply.com. Anyway, you came here because you want to see that Akira haul, because you want to know what Akira's all about. I like Akira. Yeah, they have some affordable prices. They're like Fashion Nova's sister. So like a little bit better, like, Pretty Little Thing, Akira, Fashion Nova, they like all related. I don't care. I say what I say, I mean what I say, and I said what I said. Anyway, let's get right into this video. I'm looking cute. Let me know if you want to know more about my makeup, okay? Or you can get into makeup. Well, you know I love makeup. Anyway, these boots are bomb. I love them so much that I went back and bought a pair for my sister. I actually have a haul coming up just with shoes that I bought from Akira, and they all came to me based upon this purchase. These boots are everything. I love them. I wanted them in other colors, but I didn't like the other colors, so I just got these. But I might get another pair just to have them. They're fire. Get them. I got them for my sister. My sister loves them. Look, I'm wearing them now with this. What is this, you might ask? Oh, this is this cute little dragon top that I got. Well, I love it. It reminds me of Raya because I was just watching Raya. And like, this shirt is fire. It has glittery, sparkly sleeves. Like, I love to sparkle. I was born to. You feel me? Look at it. It has a nice texture because it's like a netting with diamonds all over it. Like, oh, icy, baby. Icy. It looks really cute. Oh, yeah, I don't know, wrong bra for this. But whenever I'm putting on a haul, I don't care about my underwear. I just open the box and put the things on. Okay, let's go. I'm excited. Anyway, this is super cute. I love the color. I love the purple. I love. I paired it with some jeans that I got from Boohoo. These jeans are cute too. If you watch any of my Boohoo hauls, you would have saw them already because that's where I got them. They're in the haul. Okay, so go catch up. This fire. And I just like pulled out this bag to show you, like, I love sparkly things. Like, I just do. Anyway, overall, this shirt is like a 10 out of 10. It's the best, whatever many bucks I spent in a minute. I'm obsessed. I'm absolutely obsessed. I haven't worn it out in the world yet, but I can't wait to wear it. It seems like something you could wear like on a rainy day and like you don't want to wear a jacket and flex those sleeves. You feel me? Anyway, so here we have this little envelope situation. I thought it would, I don't know what I was thinking. When I seen it, now looking back, it looks like the emoji envelope. That's what it looks like. But it's kind of cute. Kinda. It's something. Okay? It's something. I bought it to go with my Crocs because I was like all about tie-dye because I purchased some tie-dye Crocs. If you watch my hauls, then you already know my tie-dye obsession is real right now. But yeah, I'm struggling to get it on. It ain't all that. When I actually wore it in real life, like in the world, I put it around my shoulder like a, I don't know. You see it? Like a strap. Like, get the strap. And it looks cute like that. Like, I got so many compliments when I paired it with this sweater from Boohoo. And it, like, you see me in the middle. Calm down. And wore it like that. So I can see me wearing it like that more often. I haven't really worn it again. It's cute, but it ain't all that. And it can't really fit a lot of stuff. Oh, I wore it one other time. And yeah, I was killing it. I was in another Boohoo set. Anyway, that's a long story. Watch the haul video. You have to. So yeah, I'm just like, hello, who's this? I'm busy. Call me later. Anyway, this right here, this is busy. We talk about busy. This is like places to go, things to do, people to see busy. Like, this is, I posted this on my Instagram when I put the caption, just another soldier in the army of the Lord. And people were roasting me. I was just being a troll. I thought it was funny. Whatever. It's cute. I couldn't figure out what shoes to wear with it. I would not wear these shoes. I feel like Pops, bang, 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 with these white shoes on with it. But for lack of like looking around for another pair, I just put them on. And when I first put it on, I just kind of like let it sag. And that's cute. But then something told me in my spirit, because I'm a soldier in the army of the Lord. It said, why don't you put the straps through the belt buckles and make it a belt buckle situation? I said, amen. Amen. First I was lazy and I was like, all right, let me just try one to see if it even fits. I don't even know if it fits. It fits, okay. So now I just want to go crazy. Like, go crazy, sis. Put it through all the holes, why don't you? Too lazy. But next time I wear it, I will definitely do that. It's so cute. I feel so cute. I feel like I graduated from fly school and I'm now a teacher. Come on, kids. Grab your seats. Have a seat. Have a seat. Goddamn. Pay attention. Okay? Lessons to be learned. All right. Yeah, so I'm here for the orange. I feel like I could wear this to a festival. And, like, I like wearing bright colors to, like, festivals or stuff like that so my friends can find me. Also, I just love bright colors. I'm a bright, sunny type of girl. Very high-key, bright, and shiny. You know what I mean? If I'm not on my bright environment side, something's wrong with you. Okay? Just saying. Anyway, soldier in the army of the Lord. I said it because this is a vest. It's like my armor. It's cute. I'm happy. I bought these glasses from Amazon. I saw them on AKIRA and a few other sites, but there was too much money. Plus, I got free Prime, so I needed it fast and sturdy and urgent and for a better price than whatever they was talking about. Okay. And that's what I did. I got them for a good price on Amazon. Got it on Amazon. Hashtag. This is cute. I can't wait to wear this. It's so many different ways I could wear this. And everywhere I wear it will look different. Anyway. This bracelet is everything. I thought it was cowrie shells when I saw it on the model. I was like, oh, cute gold cowrie shell bracelet. I must have it. It's not that. It's just like some big links. It's cute. It's chunky. It's gaudy. It's a statement by itself. So I love it. And I'm going to definitely have that in my collection. I got this little shirt. It was super cheap. It was just like a regular red high water. It's not crop, but it's not full length. I don't know how to describe it. That's why I said it's a little high water, but it's cute. It's cute, and it does what it's supposed to do. It's giving what it should give. Okay, I like it. And the pants is really what this situation is all about, because the shirt was just like a compliment to the pants. Pants was like on sale, and you know I had a coupon. I don't play no games. If you see me shopping, please don't think I'm out here just being rich. I definitely look for them coupons. I'm on Honey. I'm on Coupon Bird. I'm finding them coupons. Okay, I might make a new account just to give my friend a discount, and the friend is me. I don't play. Anyway, speaking of don't play, these pants are fire. I don't have any pants that has like the scrunched up legs, so it's my first time around the rodeo. But it's really cute. I kind of like that. And they're super stretchy, but they're still very tight, so I feel like everything is in place. Won't a slip nip out this. Okay. Anyway, I love it. I can't wait to wear these in real life. I wanted to see like if they want to see them online. They only had the red ones, and I'm like, yeah, I can't do that. That's a little too festive for me. It's too much. I feel very like Irish or something with those red ones, and I couldn't buy it. I couldn't do it. So yeah, the red top complements black and white always, doesn't it? With a red lip, or when I wear it, I might even wear it with a black top or a white top. I don't know, because I ain't in the future yet. You feel me? I'm not there, but my mind, I'm giving you that. My hair is from DIYHairSupply.com. I just did a quick pony with some blue hair from our website that you need to check out. And if you're not subscribed and following me, forget you. You're trash. Get your life together. Anyway, you need to follow. You need to subscribe. And you need to help me get this video to 500 likes. I'll be having like 2 likes. That's not nice. Put a lot of effort into this. Look at this. Look at this. Look at these boobs. Look how they sitting. They look airbrushed. Okay? This give me some likes. Anyway, this is my real bedroom. I probably should have cleaned it up a little bit. Look at my mirror. It's foggy. Whatever. I'm here for the glasses. I'm here for the accessories. I'm here for this moment. I posted these pictures on my Instagram, but you would know if you were following me. Hairstyles by her _. And yeah, my makeup is a 5 It looks clean and nice. Sometimes I watch these videos while I'm editing. I'm like, what were you thinking? What were you thinking? What were you doing? Anyway, sending you love. Let's check out the next set. I'll give you a close up. Hold on. Slow it down. Oh, wait. This is it. There's no next set. It's over. I hope you enjoyed it. I didn't want it to be over, but it's over. Make sure you give me a thumbs up and you subscribe so you can watch all my hauls. I've really been shopping. I've been shopping like I got a stimmy. I've been shopping like I got a PPPPD loan. Oh, ring. Be right back. Do you see? Like, literally, that was another. Oh, my gosh. My phone is ringing. That was another package coming for your viewing pleasure. So make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.